Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So if I start hiccuping in this video, oh my God, please forgive me, because I have the worst case of acid reflux today. I'm about dead, and on top of that, I'm getting a headache. It's one of those days. Oh my God, like I feel like, you know, you just want to burp, 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 and it's not going away, and then it hurts right here in your chest. And anyway, I don't know. I want to go to bed. I just want to go to bed. That's what I want to do. But I'm not, because I have my Ipsy bag. Ipsy October 2019. You know, I was just about to say 2018, like literally. Anyway, my Ipsy came in. For those of you who are new to my channel, hey, I am in Canada. We can only get the regular Ipsy bag, the 5 deluxe sizes. It costs about $20, $21 a month. I gotta make sure I got no lipstick on my teeth because it's awfully shiny, so it's probably bound to go on my teeth at some point. Anyway, Ipsy has, if you're in the US, they have the ultimate bag. I think that's like $50, and then they have a box, which I believe is $25. Yeah, and we can't get that. But what we can get is what's called add-ons. A deluxe size add-on is $3 USD. A full size add-on is $12 USD. You're allowed to have 5 add-ons per account. On the 2nd of every month, Ipsy will come out with your spoilers of what you're getting in your bag if you're in the States, of all 3, as well as your chance to get an add-on. And I think that I'm going to be skipping the month of November because I'm hoping to get on that, see? Oh, I thought I was going to hiccup. I'm hoping to get on the Boxycharm premium list for November. Just give it a shot and check it out. And truthfully, one Ipsy Deluxe bag is $20. One add-on is, you know, about $15, $16 Canadian, right? So that's the price. One bag, one full size is the price of the premium Boxycharm box. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to budget it out. I'm going to skip the month of November. Haven't really seen things that I like coming in November in Ipsy. I mean, they're doing another collab, and I'm like, God, they just did, I don't know, 2, 3 collabs almost in a row. Hold on a second. I got to decline that. So, yeah, that's, I'm thinking I'm going to skip November, see what happens with the Boxycharm Premium, and if that, you know, it's like 7 full-size items. If that seems to be, you know, a lot of good products, not the same Tarte, Cover FX, dose of colors all the time, then we'll see what happens. But anyway, I did get a couple of add-ons here. I got one of the add-ons, which is awesome, is a Sigma, and I believe this is a blending brush. So this was $3 US, so it's about $5 Canadian. So I did get this, the E25 Sigma blending brush. Everybody loves this brush. Mine's kind of flat. Oh God, here we go. I'm trying to breathe so I don't have to hiccup. So that is what it looks like. Now, see how mine's kind of flat? I wonder if it's just got flat like that because it was in the package. Is it supposed to be like fluffy? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this brush supposed to look flat or fluffy like this one? Let me know in the comments down below. But I know everyone loves Sigma, and this is one of their more famous brushes. Okay, that was $3. Okay. I also got this eyeshadow palette from The Balm. It was $12 US, about $15. Now, this in Canadian, I'd say about $40. $40 in between $40 and $50 Canadian. That's how much this would cost. It's What's the Tea? And I do like the Balm eyeshadows. They have some really, really good eyeshadows. I've never had any issues with any of the eyeshadows I've ever had. And it comes with a mirror, which is awesome. There's a little mirror there. That's kind of cool. And these are the colors. Now, the thing about this one, it comes with a neutral primer as well as a black primer. Isn't that cool? And I think they said if you put the black primer on your lid, it's going to do something with the shade. It's going to make the shade a different color. So we're going to give that a try one day on my channel. I have tried the regular primer because that's my favorite primer. So I have it here, and now I have it in the eyeshadow palette. And the black primer is really creamy, which is cool. There's some gorgeous colors here. It is really, really, I mean, this palette, if you know me, you know this palette is like right up my alley. So we're going to review this on my channel. Okay, so again, that was $15, around $15, $16, because it's $12 US. So we're $15 Canadian, which is a great deal for this because it is, I would say, a big palette like that. What's the tea? I don't know. Between 40 and 50 bucks, I'm sure, here in Canada. They do have new bags, by the way. So it's a lighter pink. It's got Ipsy on the back, and it's a little bit of a bigger bag, which is cool. Now, the price of the Ipsy, oh my God, don't hiccup, please. The price for Canadian stayed the same, but if you're in the US, it went up $2, so it's now $12 instead of $10, but in Canada, the price stayed the same. Okay, so the theme this month was Betty Boop. This is what every, you know, regular bag Ipsy is going to look like. And I think Ipsy Glam Plus was a different bag, but a Betty Boop theme, as well as the Ultimate bag was a different theme. But again, like I said, they have come out with a lot of collabs in the last few months. Okay, so we're going to see if I got what I was supposed to get. So I got this, Benefit Cosmetics, They're Real. This is a mascara, and here's the thing. Ipsy allows you to send them an email and tell them 2 things that you never want to get in your bag. And mine was mascara and eyeliner. And I've been getting a lot of mascara lately. So, yeah, and I think it's because one time I bought a certain mascara, and ever since then, I've been getting a mascara in my bag. I don't want to open it, because the moment you open it, you got 3 months to use it. You know what I mean? So I don't want to open it, so I'm going to keep that aside. Maybe I'll give it a try, because my mascaras are running out. They're all getting dry. The next thing I got was the Betty Boop Ipsy Eye Brush, which I'm very happy to get this, because you know me and my love for eye brushes. And this is cute. It's a cute brush. You know, I wonder too, like what company, because I know they have like a Betty Boop eyeshadow palette. This is a nice brush, a nice blending brush. I know that they have an eyeshadow palette, but my thing is, what is this? Oh, Space Case. Okay. What company? Like, what company is it from? The Betty Boop theme, but what company? That's what I wanted to know, like Tetris. What makeup brand made the Tetris? Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, next thing in my box is this Space Case Cosmetics highlighter, and it's in the shade Scene from Space 1B. I like, isn't that cute? Love the packaging on this. That is so adorable. All right, I don't think I've had anything from Space Case before. How do you open it, though? I don't want to rip the box, but I'm probably going to end up ripping the box. How do you open this box? Oh, I ripped it. Yeah, Oh, okay, Lisa, dum-dum. Wait. Wingnut moment right here. Anyway, I don't know. Maybe you're supposed to take it out like that, but I ripped it up. It is what it is. So here it is. And again, it's usually the Ipsy bag is 5 deluxe size items. Like already we got a full size brush. And even though this might be deluxe size, I mean, how long until you hit the pan on this? You know what I mean? Like when you get items that's deluxe size, but they're this kind of size, then you did good with your Ipsy bag. Can you see that? Let's see. So it's a little bit powdery and not very shimmery. That's a highlight? Huh. I got highlight on a little bit. I don't really see a big, you know, it's not, you're not going to beam from the sky with this highlight on. It's a, I'm going to call it a subtle highlight. Right. Yeah. Okay. Subtle highlight. Can you even see it? It's right there on my hand. But it's not beaming, is it? It's definitely not beaming. Okay. So that's highlight. Then we had, and I picked this out because you are allowed to pick one item that you want out of your bag. And I picked this because I do love Seraphine Botanicals. I love their gel, and they had some little single eyeshadows. I love that too. I got their primer. Look at the packaging. It is so pretty. I mean, the box is so pretty, full of hearts. Very, very pretty. I got lipstick on my teeth, don't I? Yes, you do. Uh-huh. Of course you do, because that's the way you are. So I got this primer, and it says Camelina and Strobe Illuminizing Primer, and it's hydrating, which is awesome. What does the box say? Oh, Lord, I need glasses. Tired-looking skin instantly comes to life with this natural-looking, glow-enhancing formula. I can't wait to give this a try. I love this company. Can't wait to give that a try. Okay. Remember, I paid $20 for this bag. Oh my God, I'm dying. I'm literally dying here. The last thing in my bag is Marc Anthony leave-in conditioner. I love Marc Anthony. They had a mask, I think, a hair mask, and I've gotten several of these. I think I've gotten this in a previous bag before in one of my accounts. So I do love Marc Anthony. I'm not mad at getting this, but I've had this company before. I think that's what I was trying to say. But I do love this. I will wear it. I will use it. You know me, my leave-in conditioners, I am happy to get it. And this is like 50 mil, so that's great. So in my bag for 20 bucks, I got this highlighter from Space Case, which honestly, truthfully, I'm not that impressed over. Really not. I don't know. Maybe it works different if the brush is wet, but I didn't see much shim on it. So I got this leave-in conditioner from Marc Anthony. I got the highlighter from Space Case. Very excited to get the primer from Seraphine Botanicals. And this is, how big are you? 15 mil. I also got the brush, Betty Boop blending brush. And we got the Benefit Deluxe Size, their real mascara. So it's not a bad bag. The bag is really cute. I like the bag. That is really, really cute. Not a bad bag for 20 bucks, you know. The highlight, I think, is the only probably flop for me, really. And the mascara. Like, come on, why are you sending me mascara again? You know what I mean? It's not on my list. Anyway, not bad for 20 bucks. But getting this for around $15 Canadian was a great, great deal. And the Balm does have really, really good eyeshadows. That's it, everyone. Let me know in the comments down below. What did you get? Are you still waiting on your bag? What are you thinking about, you know, if I should switch out to go try to get Boxycharm Premium, see how that goes, you know, skip Ipsy. I mean, I do love Ipsy, and that's the thing. I love Ipsy, but, you know, I'm thinking money-wise and budget-wise, what makes more sense? You know what I mean? And I don't get Boxycharm right now, so we're going to decide that, figure it out, unless I see some really awesome spoilers come out for Ipsy, you know, then that would change my mind, obviously, but right now it's another collab, and I'm just like, okay, we've done a few collabs, you know, I want to see new brands come in to Ipsy as well as Boxycharm. So please leave me your comment down below. Tell me how your day is going and how the Lord I can get rid of this acid reflux. I already took a Dexilent. That's not working. How can I get rid of it? Somebody please tell me because I'm dying here. Bye. Love you.